Hey crypto fam, let's talk deposits. Specifically, how long those deposits can take to hit your account on Newton. We've all been there, right? Hit send, see that confirmation screen, and then, crickets. Is my crypto lost in the digital ether? Did a rogue space squid snatch it mid-transfer? Fear not, space cowboy or cowgirl, because while deposits can feel like they're taking a scenic route around the cosmos, they usually aren't lost, just waiting in line. So, how long does that line actually take? Let's break it down and shed some light on this shadowy corner of the crypto world. The blockchain shuffle, why deposits take time. First, a quick detour. Imagine a giant, digital dance party. This party is the blockchain, a decentralized network that keeps track of all crypto transactions. Every time you send or receive crypto, it's like adding a new entry to the guest list at this party. But here's the twist, everyone at the party has to verify the new entry is legit. This verification process is called a confirmation. The more confirmations a transaction needs, the longer it takes for your deposit to show up in your Newton account. Why? Because more partygoers need to check their invitations and make sure the new guest, your crypto, is supposed to be there. Different blockchains have different confirmation times. Bitcoin, for example, can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours, depending on how crowded the dance floor is, network traffic. Newton's take on deposits, speedy or slow? Alright, back to Newton. The good news is, once the blockchain does its confirmation thing, your deposit should show up in your Newton account pretty quickly. We're talking seconds, maybe a minute or two tops. Newton's system can spot your crypto waltzing in the door almost instantly. However, there's that pesky confirmation wait to consider. So, the real answer to how long does it take depends on the crypto you're sending and how busy the blockchain is. Pro tip, the art of the transaction ID. Feeling antsy while you wait? Don't worry, there are ways to track your deposit's progress. Every transaction has a unique ID, kind of like a fingerprint. You can find this ID on the platform you're sending your crypto from. Once you have it, head over to a blockchain explorer, a website that tracks blockchain activity. Plug in your transaction ID and you can see exactly where your crypto is in the confirmation queue. It's like watching your rideshare app track your driver approaching your location, a little reassurance that your crypto is on its way. The not-so-fun stuff, when things go wonky. Now, let's address the space squid in the room, because hey, anything's possible in crypto. What if your deposit takes longer than expected, even after accounting for confirmation times? There could be a few reasons. Double-checking the address, this might sound obvious, but hey, mistakes happen. Make sure you're sending your crypto to the correct deposit address on Newton. Double-check, triple-check, and then maybe check one more time for good measure. Sending crypto to the wrong address is a recipe for a real headache. Unsupported crypto or network, Newton only accepts certain cryptocurrencies and networks. Trying to send something they don't support is like showing up to the dance party with a polka invitation, they won't let you in. Make sure the crypto you're sending is on Newton's supported list. Technical difficulties, hey, even the best tech can have hiccups. If you suspect a technical issue, contacting Newton's support team is your best bet. The final takeaway, patience is a crypto virtue. While waiting for deposits can be nerve-wracking, remember, it's usually just the blockchain doing its confirmation thing. Understanding how confirmations work and using a blockchain explorer can ease your worries. And of course, if things seem off, don't hesitate to reach out to Newton's support team. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy crypto adventures.